Hello students, today we study about the mean of grouped data. So it is in two types. The first type is a discrete frequency distribution and second one is what? Continuous frequency distribution. The mean is done by the three methods. That is, first one is a direct method and second one is a shortcut method and third one is what? Step deviation method. Now I am going to tell you how to find these three methods in discrete frequency. How to find these three methods in discrete frequency. Now, I taken one problem. Find a mean of the following distribution. So this is discrete frequency distribution. So in the question, they give you the box is a horizontal. In this horizontal columns, the first column is x. X is what? Mid value. And second column is a f. F is what? Frequency. While we are going to solve that horizontal box or horizontal columns should write in the vertically. So write the first vertical column is as a xi, that is a mid value, and the second vertical column is fi, that is what? Frequency, and take here one more column, that is what? fi into xi. And next we have to total this frequency values, total frequency values. Now I am going to find sigma. The sigma is what? Total. Sigma fi is equals to 5 plus 10 is 15, 15 plus 5 10 is 25, 25 plus 7 is 32, 32 plus 8 is 40. And next fi into x. 4 5s are 20, 6 10s are 60, and 9 10s are 90, 10 7s are 70, and 15 8s are 120. Now we have to add this all values. Sigma fi xi. Here what is sigma? Sigma is a total, or we can that is say sum. SUM, sum. So sum of fi xi. Add this all values. 0 0 0 and 0. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 2 6 and 1 plus 2 is 3. That is what? 360. Now we write the mean formula. Mean is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is the formula, and now I am going to substitute these values in that formula. Mean is equals to sigma fi xi is how much? 360. 360 divided by sigma fi is 40. We can cancel these two zeros, and 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. Therefore, mean is equals to 9. This is what answer. Mean is equals to 9. Now, second question. This is, if the mean of the following distribution is 6, find the value of p. So in this question, they are given a mean value and asking to find the value of p. And the question is given, the box is a horizontal. In there, the first column is x, that is what? Value. And second column is what? That is frequency. Is what? F. And this one I am going to solve by the direct method. And before this sum also I did in direct method. So in solving, we have to write that the horizontal columns in vertical, and newly one more column, that is what? fi into xi, just like the previous problem. So first we have to find the sum of frequencies. sigma fi. This is what? 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is what? 11. And next, find fi into xi. It means what? Multiple these two values and write. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. And next, 4 2s are 8. 6 3s are 18. And 10 1s are 10. P plus 5 into 2. So what it is? 2 into P plus 5. 2 into P plus 5. And next we have to find the sum of fi into xi. Sigma fi into xi is equals to 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 18 is 32. 32 plus 10 is 42. 42 plus 2 into P plus 5. This is what? Sigma fi xi. Now we write the formula of mean in directive method. Is what? Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. And in this formula, I am going to substitute mean value is 6 and sigma fi xi value is 42 plus 2 into P plus 5 and the sigma fi is what? 11. So in place of mean 6 and the sigma fi xi is what? 42 plus 2 into P plus 5 by sigma fi is 11. And we can cross multiply it. So 11 into 6 is 66 is equals to 1 into the numerator will come the same 42 plus 2 into P plus 5. 66 is equals to 42 plus 2 into P, 2P plus 2 5s are 10. 2 into P is what? 2P and 2 5s are what? 10. And the 66 is equals to, write 2P and 42 plus 10 is what? 52. So next we can write 2P is equals to 66 and transfer this 52 this side, that becomes minus 52. Minus 52. Next write 2P is equals to minus them and we get 14. 66 minus 12 is what? 14. And P is equals to 14 by 2 is what? 7. Therefore, P is equals to 7. What is the value of P? P is what? 7. Now, question number 3. Find the value of P. The mean of the following distribution is 7.5. And in this question also they given the mean value and asked to find the value of P. And in question they given two horizontal rows. The first one is a X, that is mid value, and the second one is a F, that is frequency. And while we are going to solve the question, write that the horizontal row in vertically. And here we need one more column, that is what? Fi into X. So first we have to add the total frequency values. So it can write as sigma fi, except this P, add the remaining values. So 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 29, 29 plus 8 is 37, 37 plus 4 is 41, and plus P. And next find Fi into X. So multiple these two values. 3 6 are 18 and 5 8s are 40 and 7 15s are 105. 9 into P, 9P, 11 8s are 88, 13 4s are 52. Now find sigma Fi xi. The total of fi into xi. Except this 9p, add the remaining numbers. Here 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 2 is 23, 2, 3. And 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, and I 2, 0. And 1 plus 2 is what? 3. This is 303 plus 9p. The mean formula, mean is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is the formula of mean in directive method. Now substitute the mean value is what? 7.5. Mean value as 7.5 is equals to sigma fi xi is 303 plus 9p by sigma fi is 41 plus p. And remove this point. For that we can write 75 by 10, because after this decimal there is only one value is right side, is equals to 303 plus 9p by 41 plus p, right as it is. Now you can do cross multiplication. Then 75 into 41 plus p is equals to 10 into 303 plus 9p. So multiple these two values, again these two, and in the right side also 10 is multiplying with 303 and also 9. If you multiple 75 with the 41, 75 into 41, 1 5 is a 5, 1 7 is a 7, and 4 5 is a 20, and 4 7 is a 28 plus 2 is 30. So 5703, 3075 plus 75 into p, 75 is equals to 10 into 303, right? 303 and 1 plus 10 into 90, 9, 90, 10 into 9, 90, and 75p transfer to right side, and this 3030 is transferred to left side, and it will be 90p minus 75p is equals to 3075 minus 3030. So if you minus these two, you get 15p is equals to, so here it is 45. So p is equals to 45 by 15. 15 3s are 45. So p is equals to 3. P is equals to what? 3. Now fourth question, that is find f1 f2 if the mean of the following distribution is 50. In this question the given mean value is as 50, and we have to find out the value f1 and f2, and this f1 f2 are the missing frequencies. And also in this question given total frequency is what? 120. And in solution, and we write the horizontal columns in vertically, and next column, that is what fi into xi, and I wrote that total frequency is 120. Next I am going to find fi into xi. So 10 into 17, 170. 30 into f1, 30 f1, and 50 into 32 is what? 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. And write this 0. And 50 into 32 is how much? 1600. And next 70 into F2 is a 70 F2. 90 into 19. 19 nines are 171 and write this 0. Now we have to total the Fi into Xi values. Sigma Fi Xi is equals to, except these two, 30 F1 and 70 F2, we have to add the remaining these three values. First one is what? 170, and 170 is added with 1600. Is 0, 7, 7 and 1. And again that is added with 17, 10. 0, 8 and 7 plus 7 is 14. 3480. 3480 plus write this 30 F1 separately, plus write this 70 F2 is also separately. And next we write the direct method formula of the mean. Mean is equals to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. This is the formula of the mean, direct method. So instead of mean, we have to write 50 is equals to sigma Fi Xi is 3480 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2 divided by sigma Fi is 120. So we can write by 1 and do cross multiplication. 1 into 3480 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2 will come as it is equals to 50 into 120. So write again 3480 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is as it is. 15 2s are 60 and 2 more zeros, that is what? 6000. Write this 30 F1 plus 70 F2 as it is and 6000, and transfer this 3480 to right side, that becomes minus 3480. 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is equals to minus that. 6000 is divided with 3480 and it is a 0 and 2 and 9 minus 4 is 5 and 5 minus 3 is 2 is 2520. This is the first equation. And next we have to total the frequency values. Add this all frequency values and equate with 120. It is already given in our question. 17 plus F1 plus 32 plus 19 is equals to what? 120. Write the F1 plus F2. So 17 plus F1 plus 32. After 32 is F2. F2 plus 19 is equals to 120. Write F1 plus F2. Now we add the 17 and 32 and 19. See, 17 plus 32 is a 49. 49 plus 19 is a 18. 5 and 6, 68. Plus 68 is equals to 120. F1 plus F2 is equals to 120. Transfer this 68 to right side, that becomes minus 60. F1 plus F2 is equals to, and minus them, we get 52. 120 minus 68 is what? 52. This is the second equation. Now we have to solve 1 and 2. Now I am going to solve these two equations by elimination method. See, write the first equation. 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is equals to 2520. The second equation, F1 plus F2 is equals to 52. To equate the F1 terms, I am multiplying the second equation with 30. Now, write the first equation, this equation as it is, 30 F1 plus 70 F2 is equals to 2520. And now this 30 is multiplying with F1 and 30 is multiplying F2 and also 30 is multiplying with 52. 30 into F1, 30 F1 plus 30 into F2, 30 F2 is equals to 30 into 52. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15 and write this here. This is what 1560. So change the symbols for subtraction and this plus becomes minus and plus becomes minus. We can cancel the 30 F1 and minus 30 F2. And 70 F2 minus 30 F2 is 40 F2 is equals to minus it 0. 12 minus 6 is what? 6. And here 4 remain. 14 minus 5 is what? 9. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Not need to write. And now F2 is equals to what can we write? 960 by 40. We can cancel the 0 0 and 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 remains and it is 16, 4 4 is 16. F2 is equals to 24. Now substitute F2 value in second equation. What is second equation? F1 plus F2 is equals to 52. So in place of F2, we have to substitute 24. Write F1 as it is. So instead of 24, we write 24. F2 is right 24 is equals to 52. F1 is equals to 52 minus 24. So plus 24 becomes minus 24. F1 is equals to, it is what? 52 minus 24 is what? 8 and 2, 28. Therefore, the value of F1 is 28 and the value of F2 is what? 24. This is what answer.